Yes, sir. You already know that your boy B Hayes. We back with another one. Let's go ahead and jump right into it. You know, we won't like to waste nobody's time. Before we do that, let's give this video a thumbs up so we can reach more people. Today we'll be touching bases on Castro Maritime. That's ticker symbol CTRM. So let's go ahead and give y'all a quick update. Just giving y'all some reassurance, letting y'all know what to expect, short term, long term, and all that good stuff. I know y'all panicking right now. Castro Maritime steady pulling back. So like I tell y'all, you got to be able to prepare for these red days just as much as y'all happy and excited for these green days that's about to come. Because I forgot to remind y'all, April is one of the best months for the stock market. Look at the history. History already repeats itself. During March, last month, what we experienced, that's usually when the market sell off. That's usually when it pull back. They have a huge sell off during March. And April, towards the end of April, around like April the 20th and beyond, towards the end, that's when the market will start. You'll start seeing a whole lot of green. They'll push that button, that green button, and all the stocks will start going green. Right now, they hit that red button, all the stocks red. I'm telling y'all know the market rigged, but we just play our game, find ways to maneuver through it, and make our money. So let's continue though, y'all. Castro Maritime, let's go ahead and check it out. We closed at 51 cents, y'all. We opened at 55 cents. The high was 56 cents. The low was 50 cents. The 52-week high was 195. The 52-week low was 11 cents. So what do we expect for Castro? So we most definitely expect Castro Maritime to go up long term. We done discussed that, and we'll get more reasoning behind why in just a second. Let's go ahead and see what the chart looking like. What do we expect this thing to do tomorrow, this week, next week? So right here at 51 cents, this is a crucial level. This is a crucial point. Right here, this thing got a strong support at 50 cents a share. If this thing cracked below 50, which it could easily, this thing could possibly, we done ran up hugely from like 16, 13 cents a share back in 2020. We done ran all the way up to $1.73. So this pullback, this correction was a must. We needed this. This is a healthy pullback. So once we push up again, we can rip strong. We can push strongly through that 103 that we got a huge resistance at. We get stuck at 103 for a while. As soon as we push that 103, that 173 will be even easier to get through. So let's check it out, y'all. If we crack below this 51 cents, this thing is going to fall straight to the low 40s, and the low 40s and the high 30s, around 37, 42 cents. It could possibly fall to those levels, and hopefully we don't see any lower than that. But that's about the lowest I think this thing could possibly go, is around the high 30s and the low 40s if we see another pullback under this 50 cents. And right now is most definitely a buy zone. You should have been accumulating shares. I'm down right now in Castro Maritime. I got an average price. Let's look at my position real quick as we talk about it. I got an average price of 65 cents. I got a total cost of $1,700 into the company. The last price was 51 cents. I'm down $376, right at 22%. I'm almost down $400. So you already know I'm not worried at all. I'm going to continue to accumulate more shares. I want about $2,500, maybe $3,000 invested in Castro. I probably like $2,500, and I'm going to buy more shares if this thing pull back to around 37 cents. 38 cents, I'm going to accumulate some more shares. So you already know. And let's look into more of why are we so bullish on Castro Maritime. We're bullish on Castro Maritime because I told y'all during this pandemic right here, the supply and demand for shipping stuff is low. That not many people wanting that. So why the demand isn't there? Castro Maritime is taking advantage of that. They're taking advantage of that, getting all these ships, getting them for cheap deals, very, very cheap deals, getting them for steals. They doubling up, tripling up. From the start of their career, they only had about 6 ships. They done surpassed that in the past 3 months, and now they got like 13, 14 ships now. Correct me in the comments. So you already know, like, they is most definitely on their A game. They is is building. They building off this momentum. So, and plus with the shipping rates is going up. Shipping rates going up. They expanding their fleet. Like all these nothing but good things going on with Castro Maritime. But you see they stock prices falling like this. See, that's how you know like the stock market is not off about fundamentals anymore just because the company report good earnings and all this good stuff going on. Yeah, long term we expect Castro Maritime to turn around, but short term you just can't invest your investments off of stuff like that because you will lose money. So long term Castro Maritime will go up. We just got to be patient, work through this pullback, and we will see the gains. So, and you know, penny stocks, I always tell y'all, never go all in, never put a lot of money, no money that you ain't risk, that you ain't worth losing, that you can't afford to lose. Do not put that in a penny stock. So, you know, yes, I said I got about $2,000 in the penny stock, but you know that I can afford to lose that, and nobody's going to sit, and I won't sit right there and watch the stock go all the way down to zero, which, you feel me, some people will just sit there, YOLO, you only live once. But you always need to have a risk management, have a plan where you're going to get out of that thing if it get too low for your appetite, when you can't take it no more, get too dangerous for you. So have a plan. And that's all I really got for y'all this video. I just want to let y'all know that Castro Maritime is still a goal, and we just got to get through this pullback. We could possibly see 37 cents, the high 37s, the low 40s. So be prepared, and you know, just average down if you have to. And that's all I got. If you can't take the heat, like my boy say, if you can't take the heat, get up out the kitchen. So that's all I got for y'all. I love y'all. God bless. Have a good day. We out.